Izzy, and today I'm going to be running through a quick demo of personalization in the Pages feature of XM Cloud. So I'm in the Pages tool right now. I'm just using one of our test kind of demo sites. I'm starting on the home page, and so you can see the home page here as it is. It says shop the summer sale of the best skate brands, and all this imagery. But we're going to change the title. So we're going to start by making sure we're on the home page, and then we are going to go to Personalize feature down here, and we're going to start by creating a variant, and this is where we create our audience. So we're going to click add create variant, and I'm just going to name this variant test for now. And then we're going to move to step 2, which is create your audience. So I'm going to create this audience for a returning visitor who's viewed the campaign landing page. So we're going to add the first condition. So a returning user, I'm just going to search it in the top here. And as you can see, it brings up the visitor type. And we're going to set that to returning. And then we're going to add another condition. And this is going to be for a page view. So I'm just going to type page into here. And then we get this one, page view. And I believe the page is called Issy's campaign landing page. Sorry. And as you can see here, it's and, so both these conditions must be true. So they've got to view the campaign landing page and be a returning user in order to see this version of the page. The way XM Cloud Pages works in personalization, whereas in XP it was just changing like the component, and so the component was personalized. Although you may be only changing one component in Pages, the whole page is personalized, which is actually a big advantage of the Pages feature in XM Cloud when it comes to like page load time speeds and stuff when you're personalizing a page. So we're going to save that condition. Audience was saved successfully, and then we can just close this down. So now we're seeing this test version of the page for the personalized version, and you can see that all of these are in this kind of orangey yellow box, and this means they're not personalized. So we're going to go ahead and personalize the text. So we're going to click on this, and you see here the content item. We're going to edit it, and then we're going to add under new under text. I want to create new text, and I'm just going to call it personalized 1. Obviously you'd call it something more relevant, but for now that's fine. And we're going to click on personalize 1, and we're going to assign. You can see I've had a couple of other tests here, and we're going to assign it, and then going to click on the text field, and I want to change it to heading 4 because that's what it was before. And then I'm just going to type in here